Estaré en el jardín. I'll be in the garden. Estaré. I'll be. En el. In the. Jardín. Garden. I'll be in the garden. No estás en peligro. You're not in danger. No estás. You're not. En peligro. In danger. You're not in danger. Ella nos ayuda. She helps us. Ella, she, nos ayuda. Helps us. She helps us. ¿Hay alguien en el baño? Is there someone in the bathroom? Is there alguien, someone, en el, in the, baño, bathroom? Is there someone in the bathroom? Alguien lo dañó. Someone damaged it. Alguien, someone, lo dañó. Damaged it. Someone damaged it. No tengo paciencia para eso. I don't have patience for that. No tengo. I don't have. Paciencia. Patience. Para eso. For that. I don't have patience for that. Cargaremos tu cuenta. We'll charge your account. Cargaremos. Will charge. Tu cuenta. Your account. We'll charge your account. Ella no puede oírnos. She can't hear us. Ella, she, no puede, can't, oírnos, hear us. Traje evidencia. I brought evidence. Traje. I brought. Evidencia. Evidence. I brought evidence. No lo cambié a tiempo. I didn't change it on time. No lo cambié. I didn't change it. A tiempo. On time. I didn't change it on time. Asusté al gato. I scared the cat. Asusté. I scared. Al gato. The cat. I scared the cat. Intenté ayudarlos. I tried to help them. Intenté. I tried. Ayudarlos. To help them. I tried to help them. Nadie tiene miedo. Nobody is scared. Nadie. Nobody. Tiene miedo. Is scared. Nobody is scared. Debes esperar 2 semanas. You must wait 2 weeks. Debes. You must. Esperar. Wait. 2. 2. Semanas. Weeks. You must wait 2 weeks. ¿Hay una piscina cerca? Is there a pool nearby? Is there una piscina? A pool? Cerca? Nearby? Is there a pool nearby? Aquí todo es diferente. Here everything is different. Aquí, here, todo es, everything is, diferente, different. Here everything is different. Tomará un mes. It will take a month. Tomará. It will take. Un mes. A month. It will take a month. Creo que son perfectos. I think they're perfect. Creo que. I think. Son. They're. Perfectos. Perfect. I think they're perfect. Te ayudaré a arreglarlo. I'll help you fix it. Te ayudaré. I'll help you arreglarlo. Fix it. I'll help you fix it.